Good Tuesday! Today we're making a Paul Bunyan Burger from 1954 as presented by the American Dairy Association of Chicago, Illinois. Now this is a little tricky. If you Google Paul Bunyan Burgers, it gets really complicated. There's a million stuff out there, from restaurants to vintage giant Paul Bunyan statues to these long hoagie burger sandwiches called Bunyan Burgers. They have them on white bread. Some of them are stuffed. Forget it. We're doing this 1954. Think about it. It's really kind of funny. What's different about this? Well, we're going to be adding non-fat dry milk. You may be familiar with carnation evaporated milk in meatloaf, and they even have an ad for putting it in hamburgers. But I haven't seen one using the dry milk powder. Now, I didn't buy the carnation this morning for two reasons. One, this is cheaper and we're on a budget. And the second reason is the ingredients for this. It says non-fat dry milk, vitamin A, palmitate, and vitamin D. But if you look at the carnation ingredients, it says may contain soy or wheat. This doesn't. We're going with this. Hey, okay, so the original recipe for this is a pound of ground beef, a half a cup of powdered milk, a quarter cup of water, salt and pepper. We're going to make a half a pound. I want to make a big burger. We're going to try and go for a half a pound of burger. I'm just in the mood. And lately, I've really been having some very simple burgers, like just a burger and cheese. I found a Reddit post. The burger was called Single with Ketchup. We're going to call this a Single with Ketchup today, because we're going to make a half a pound of Paul Bunyan Burger with a slice of cheese and ketchup. No pickles, no nothing. And I think they call it Paul Bunyan because apparently adding the dry milk makes the burgers a little makes the burgers a little bigger. And I think the only thing we're doing different, and we're not changing it, is we're going to let the meat sit in the fridge for a little while, maybe a half an hour, just to kind of absorb that powder. Oh my God. The recipe is in the description, and it says, in big print, it says to bake or broil. In very fine print, it says we can cook it in a skillet. And we're going to be using our age-appropriate Guardian service. I love cooking steak in this. I don't think I've cooked a burger in this yet, so that'll be fun. So we're going to weigh out a half a pound of ground beef. Paul Bunyan. You know what's funny is yesterday I actually watched the Disney Paul Bunyan musical on Daily Motion. That was fun. Paul Bunyan. Bunyan Burgers. You gotta love the 50s. So we need about 8 ounces of burger, right? Ooh, 830. That's pretty close. 815. 795. And we've got 8 ounces, half a pound. Walmart 1 quart bags, they changed the seals. They used to be really close together, these red lines. And I can't close the bag. I really, I can't do it. It's not closing. Quarter cup. Chef's catalog, quarter cup. That's a lot of powder. That's a lot of powder. You know, I can't believe we're playing with very expensive meat. Let's go with that. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, half a teaspoon. We halved this recipe, so half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, let's just see. What am I missing? Sprinkle non-fat dry milk, salt and pepper over beef. Mix well. Add water. Stir until well blended. We're supposed to mix this well. I'm going to use my bare hands like it's the 50s. Then we add the water. I don't know why. I don't know why we don't add it all together. It's just how it is. Paul Bunyan. You see the picture of Paul Bunyan in the ad? He didn't have his faithful ox. Babe, it smells a little weird. I'm just saying. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it made it sticky. Oh my gosh. What have we done? Why didn't we mix the powder, salt, and pepper in water and then add it? I don't know. Okay. 1/8 cup of water. Let's make sure I don't want to spill it in there. 1/8 cup of water. And mix. Holy moly. It's very slimy now. That's why I kind of want to, oh! I lost some on the floor. Great. Food for the ants. All right. So I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for a little while. And we'll form it into a burger. Aye. It's going in the fridge for half an hour. Why, I don't know. Okay. Of course, now I'm using gloves. Just to give us a round shape. Just to get a basic shape. Hi! That's a big burger, man! I think I'm gonna put 2 slices of cheese. I did wipe the pan with Pam. Wiped it out. We're ready. 234. Here we go, man. Oh! Are you kidding? Oh! I didn't see that coming. We could fast forward that, you won't even know it. Boy, it really stuck. Oh, Bunyan Burger, 1954. I think we're going to use 2 slices today. Kraft All-American. All right. Out of all the burgers I've made, that McDonald's triple onion burger has to be one of my favorites. Don't forget to deglaze when we're done. Otherwise it's going to be hell to clean. Holy moly, that's burnt. Ooh, good char. Oh, that is a charred burger. Damn it! We can make it again. I'll make it again. Oh, maybe I should have baked it. Maybe we'll bake it. I can do it again and bake it. Damn it! Damn it! See if I can. Oh. We're getting there. Yeah, I'm going to put 2 slices of cheese on it. Oh, we're done. We're going 2 slices of cheese on this Bunyan burger. Wow, it almost fits the bun perfectly. Oh, I need my camera. Damn it. Let's do it. Ketchup. And on you go. Paul Bunyan. Oh! That was hot. Yowza! Two singles with ketchup. Let's try this Paul Bunyan Burger. Let's try this crusty Paul Bunyan Burger. Here we go. Wow. Mmm. That's interesting. It's just a tiny bit of pink. I'm okay with that. Wow. It is a little salty. We did put half a teaspoon of salt in that half pound of beef. Wow. Let's take another bite. It's one big burger. I think it needs more ketchup. Oh, there's just a touch of pink. Just a touch. The cheese is clouding my taste buds. Yeah, we got a lot of burnt bits, and I like them on this. That's weird. I think we have to try, somehow we have to try a piece without the cheese. Let's try a piece without the cheese. That's tasty. I actually like that. I put those two slices of cheese are clouding my taste buds. I really like it without the cheese. Oh. I like it. That's a half-pound cheeseburger. I'll probably never do it again. Or will I? A half a teaspoon of salt is too much. I'm tasting the salt, not bad, but it's not just flavoring it. I can taste the salt, so I probably pull back on the salt. I think it needs more ketchup. And maybe just one slice of cheese. It was just so big, I wanted to put two slices. All right. Hey! Thanks for joining me this Tuesday for Paul Bunyan Burger from 1954, brought to you by the American Association of Dairy, the American Dairy Association. Oh, yeah. Okay. I was happy. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Good burnt bits. Thanks for watching. Stop.